Ever wanted to build a web scraping project but didn't know where to start? I got 5 fun project ideas that will sharpen your skills, deliver useful results, or even work as a business hustle. Let's dive in. But first, what is web scraping and how does it work? In simple terms, web scraping is automated data collection from the internet, where instead of manually gathering the information, you use specific tools or so-called scrapers to get the data. If you have any coding knowledge, you can employ web scraping libraries to build your own scrapers. Python is the go-to coding language with requests and beautiful soup libraries for simple HTML parsing and Scrapy for scalable crawlers. If you prefer JavaScript, Axios and Cheerio libraries will come in handy. But here's the catch. Websites often have anti-bot measures and dynamic content, which can make scraping tricky. That's where headless browsers come in. Tools like Selenium, Puppeteer, Playwright help scrape dynamic websites by rendering content, navigating pages, and mimicking real user behavior. For even easy access, consider ready-made scrapers. Scraping APIs provide structured data without the hassle of handling captchas or IP rotation. For example, the Decodo Web Scraping API takes care of these challenges automatically. It also offers intuitive web interface for those without extensive coding knowledge. Before diving into real projects, practice on sites like toscrape.com or scrapethesite.com. These are great for learning how to handle HTML tables, pagination, and other common challenges. And now, let's get into the 5 web scraping projects you can build yourself. All of these are practical, beginner-friendly, and possible with fewer than 1,000 requests. Exactly the amount included in our web scraping API's free trial. First, you can do real estate market analysis. House hunting is exhausting, as listings come and go fast. So why not build a scraper that collects property data from multiple sites? You can quickly go through listings by filtering by price, location, or property type. For this, you can use Decodo's web scraping API. Enter multiple housing sites using bulk features and schedule daily scrapes to keep your datasets fresh. Another cool project idea is automated job posting scraping. Manually searching for job boards is time-consuming. Instead, build a bot that scrapes job titles, company names, salaries, and descriptions from multiple sources. If you're job hunting in tech, this can double down as a portfolio project to showcase your skills. Store the data in a database, then display it in Flask or Django dashboards. Third, build a real-time news aggregator. Scrape news articles from multiple sources, extract headlines, timestamps, summaries, and if you decide to start with Google News, we got a Python tutorial that you can check out in the link below. Next, build a product price tracker. Prices change constantly, making deal hunting frustrating. But you can automate price tracking by scraping product pages for prices, availability, and discount banners. Gather prices quickly, store historical data, and trigger email alerts when prices drop. The Decodo Web Scraping API makes this even easier with ready-made templates for sites like Amazon, Walmart, and Target, removing the need to parse raw HTML. Last, collect sports stats for analytics. Scrape player performance, match results, and rankings to build predictive models for fantasy leagues. Use pandas or matplotlib for quick insights or train a machine learning model with historical data. And there you have it, 5 web scraping projects that actually provide value. Want clean structured data without worrying about IP blocks? Try Decodo's web scraping API. And if you have a web scraping project in mind, drop it down in the comments.